So I'll be showing you how to do this cinematic cutout without no apps, nothing. It's just one click. So let's head into the video so that I'll show you how to do that. Let's go. So you can see here that this is the video that I'm editing here. So you can see the cinematic ones edited. I have put it there. You can see it. But before you do this one, let's take it like we are taking this particular one as the editor. Okay. So we slide here and go to adjust. After the adjust, you can see here that if you come into the adjust, you see color matching, color correction, brightness, like a lot, sharpness, clarity, like a lot. And you scroll there sideways and you see here, you could see fade. Okay. So we click on the fade. The fade is this one. You see here how it's fading. Okay. But we are not going for the fade. We are going for the virginate. Yes, this is the virginate that have you see. After clearing the virginate, you can see here. You could change the virginate and here is it. If you could get this particular cinematic cutouts, very easy, very nice, very beautiful. So that's how it is. And if you want this particular film editing cinematic, you can see here that it's like the olden days film editing things. You can see you can clear it, you can adjust it to the sizes of what you have. But me, I'm adjusting it a little bit to fit my perfection. You could say so. Don't hesitate. Kindly click on the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring to you a very cool editing on how to edit on CapCut. Very easy. Thank you.